Are you ready to build your first lead magnet? Do you even know what a lead magnet is? Hi, I'm Coach Mona G, and my partner Raghu, Kalia, and I are going to be hosting a 3-day free lead magnet building challenge. This is going to be on February 17th, 18th, and 19th from 10:30 a.m. until noon. This is an incredible opportunity for you to join in hands-on and go step by step from building the landing page to the thank you page and then publishing, all in that 3-day period of time. This is an outstanding opportunity for you. We would love for you to invite your friends and associates if you like, but space is limited, so be sure to get signed up right away. Raghu and I are waiting to help you advance your digital marketing and scale your business.